Hey guys, Jess Starr here with Star Realty Group at Keller Williams Realty, standing inside our amazing new listing. This one is 64 Village in the Powder Mill Complex here in Canton, Connecticut. It is a beautiful, super spacious colonial. It is like new construction. You're gonna love so many amazing features of this property. What I love most is that it's got a first floor master bedroom, which is wonderful with a great walk-in closet. It's got an ensuite master bath. So if you have anybody that can't do stairs, wants first floor living, they can have it. It also has a first floor laundry room, which is great. It's got an additional first floor bedroom or office if you'd like. Great open eat-in kitchen with granite countertops, all custom cabinetry. It's got gas heat with a wonderful gas cooktop, as you can see here behind me. The floor plan is great because it's all nice and open with vaulted ceilings in the cozy family room. That's just great if you like to entertain or you want to have friends and family over. It's wonderful because you can all be together as you're cooking, watching the big game, making your favorite snacks, you name it. Upstairs, there are 3 additional bedrooms. It is just so much space. These guys actually added an additional bedroom upstairs. They added an additional bedroom and bath down in the walkout finished lower level. The lower level is massive and adds so much square footage. This is truly the biggest house in this complex. And if you're looking for super fun, super convenient living, this one is definitely it. They've got a nice private deck as well. Downstairs is perfect space for a bar if you want to build that in, along with the family room, along with a game room, along with a gym if you want an at-home gym. And there's a bedroom with a bath. You could use it for au-pair possibilities. You could use it for in-law. You could also use it for in-law up here if you wanted to. So this could truly be a multi-generational house if you're looking for it. This one is certain to not last long. Hardwood floors, central air, gas heat, public utilities, 2-car attached garage, you name it, it's right here. You better give us a call before you miss your chance. 860-325-2484, or you can visit us on our website at starrealtygroup.com. We look forward to helping you make your dreams come true too. Make it a great day.